What is an MCP? So MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. MCP lets AI models connect to external tools and apps and services instead of every AI tool building its own custom integration. So let me give you an example. Antigravity on its own is very powerful, but it can still not go inside your tools like N10. It cannot go inside N10 and create an automation for you. So for that reason, we have to connect it with our tools. We can connect it with the most powerful tools using MCP. We can connect it with Claude, we can connect it with N10, Lovable, Figma, Make.com, Supabase, and many more. And now it becomes unstoppable with no limits. I can say Antigravity, go inside my N10 and create me an automation for an agency that is like doing some repetitive task. Hey, Antigravity, go inside my Lovable and create me a beautiful web app. Hey, Antigravity, I want you to go inside my Figma and design me a landing page. Hey, Antigravity, go inside my Supabase and create a database for my website. Okay, so let me show you how you can connect your MCP with your Antigravity. You just need to go on the top right and click on these three dots, and you'll be seeing MCP servers. Just click on MCP server and then you'll see a list of MCP servers that are already listed inside Antigravity. We have GitHub, we have Figma, we have Stripe, we have PayPal, we have Perplexity, and we have a lot of tools inside. Let's search for Supabase and click on Supabase, and we want to connect Supabase MCP server with our Antigravity. Just click on install and you need to paste your access token from Supabase to connect this MCP server. Let's go to our Supabase. Let's generate a token. Rename this to Antigravity testing. Expires in 1 hour, or let's make it to 1 day. Generate token. And we have the token. Let's copy this token and paste this inside our Antigravity to connect this MCP server. Just click on save and it should be saved now. Okay, so this is now enabled. Let's now close this and ask our AI to create a database with name, with email address, with phone number. Let me first ask with my Antigravity that are you connected with my Supabase? Can you check if you're connected to my Supabase? Let's hit enter and see what it sees. Okay, so it says that I'm successfully connected to your Supabase account. Now I want to create a database. Let's ask it to create a database. I want you to create a database inside my Supabase. So the database will be simple. It will have a name, it will have an email address, it will have a phone number. Go ahead inside my Supabase and create a brand new database. Okay, so now it's asking me that this is the structure that I'll be using. Question for you: would you like me to go ahead and create this table inside your existing project once it finishes restoring? Yes. Okay, so it has successfully created a database inside my Supabase, and let's just click on accept all. It has also made a checklist for itself. So these are the IDs. Let's go inside our Supabase and verify. Okay, and we have table editors, and these are contacts. So yeah, it went inside our Supabase and created a database for us. Now it's successfully connected with the Supabase MCP. Okay, so let's say that you want to add an MCP for a tool, but it doesn't exist in this list. So you'll just need to click on Manage MCP Server on top right, and you'll be seeing this tab. Click on View Raw Config, and this is basically the file that is managing all of the MCPs. So I don't want you to like go in depth in these technical stuff. We will just ask our AI to connect that MCP with our Antigravity. So let's just go to our AI and ask it. So I want to connect N10 MCP, but it doesn't exist in the MCP servers list. So can you help me with that? Okay, so it has misspelled N8N. It's N8N. Okay, so this is the code that it has just written for me. And inside we have to place our N8N's URL and N8N's API key. Let's just bring in our credentials. Okay, so right now I'm inside my N8N. Let's just copy this URL until.cloud, and we'll have to paste this here, replace with your URL, and let's copy our API key. Just click on settings and go to N8N API, create a new API, expiration, let's set it to 7 days, enable Antigravity video, and let's give all the permission. and just click on save. Copy this API key and get back to our code editor. Paste this here and you'll be seeing this white color ball. This means that it has not been saved. Just click on Control plus S and the white colored ball is gone. So we'll go back to our manage MCPs and refresh. And now I think we should be seeing an NA10 MCP here. Okay, so now we have successfully connected our NA10. So if you see here in manage MCP server, Antigravity can basically go inside our NA10 and create workflows. It can execute workflows and basically do everything that we can do. We have NA10 connected, we have Supabase connected.